Welcome to 81 Franklin Avenue in Rockaway Borough, New Jersey. This 3-bedroom, 1.5 bathroom single-family home has been remodeled from top to bottom, inside and out. Brand new 4-car driveway, new stucco, new roof. The lot is 8,000 square feet, featuring fully fenced-in backyard for privacy and safety, new above-ground pool, and new deck. It's conveniently located between routes 46 and 80, making it a commuter's dream. Welcome to this beautiful foyer, where like in the rest of this home, you will see a lot of custom and very unique features. The kitchen is to die for, with vaulted beamed ceilings, beautiful, fully custom cabinets and shelving, center island, wine cooler, and sliding doors leading to the newly built deck. Don't forget about the heated floors in the foyer, kitchen, and the half bathroom, beautifully finished and located right next to the master bedroom on the first floor. All the windows, doors, tiles, and vanities were imported from Europe and definitely make a statement. The living room is bright and spacious with beautiful hardwood floors, intricate track lighting that continues throughout the house, custom staircase, and another entrance to the side of the house. Look at this. Oh, we have lots of storage when you enter, and off we go upstairs, where we are greeted by this exceptionally refinished bathroom with a gorgeous jetted tub, a skylight, and a beautiful shower. Look at these finishes, guys. It's a truly spa-like experience to spend time in here. We have 2 additional spacious bedrooms on this floor with lots of light and character. Contact us to get a personal experience of this gorgeous home in Rockaway. Thank you for visiting.